Are you interested in learning how to make money online in Kenya, especially during this pandemic season? Hey there, my name is Wycliffe from TechHood254, and in this video, I'd like to share with you how my business partner and I have been able to make thousands of dollars working online as content creators. Now, I know that's a really bold statement, and a lot of people might probably be wondering whether it's true because you've probably encountered one or two scams out there. So I'd like to share with you some payment proof, and I'm gonna put that right on the screen right now so that you can be able to see that what I'm talking about is true and it's legit. It's actually possible to make money online in Kenya. So the method that we've been using, we have more than one revenue stream online, and this particular method that I'm going to be sharing with you pays every single week. So the first method of payment that you can see there, the first proof is $232, and like I've said, this is something that we've been doing for the last 4 years. So this is payment is dating back all the way in 2017, and we're doing it all the way up until 2020. We're still working with this particular method. So you can see the payment proof right here. The highest amount that we've been able to make online so far is $500 in a single week using this particular stream of income, and you can make anywhere from $80 in a week all the way up to 500, as you have seen there, depending on how much effort you are putting into this. Now, as you have seen, it's not necessarily every single week that you are going to be making the same amount of money. It all depends on the number of jobs that are available and your work ethic. It depends on your consistency, and also it depends on your skill level. Now, as far as skill is concerned, this is why we've put together a tutorial that is aimed at helping you learn exactly what we've been able to learn within this 4 years, so that you don't have to go through a difficult time getting this into your skill set all by yourself. We've put everything together in a tutorial that consists of video and text content, and on top of that, we're also allowing you, once you sign up for this tutorial, to be able to consult with us at a one-on-one level, one-on-one basis, which means you're going to be able to consult with us. Now, clearly, there's definitely going to be a number of people interested in signing up, and that means that we will only be able to work with very few people, since we're considering the consultation services as well. So if you believe that this is something that's going to be of value to you, I recommend that you sign up as quickly as possible. The link is down in the description box below, and it will take you directly to our website where you can learn more about this tutorial and how to get started. So that's all for this video, and I'll see you on the inside.